Modalyst versus AliExpress. Which provides better product research tools? That's the big question we're tackling today. If you're a dropshipper or an e-commerce entrepreneur looking for the best product research tools, you might be considering both of these platforms. But which one actually offers the best resources to help you find profitable products and scale your business? Stick around until the end to find out which one comes out on top and to learn about a better alternative that could save you a lot of time and money. Let's start with Modalyst. It's known for its curated marketplace with high-quality suppliers. The platform offers integration with Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce, making it really convenient for online store owners. When it comes to product research, Modalyst focuses heavily on automating your product sourcing. You can filter through various categories, niche products, and even location-based suppliers. This is especially useful if you're looking for unique items or want to target specific markets. But there's a catch. While the search filters are useful, they aren't as detailed or deep as you might expect. It's not always clear what's trending or in demand unless you're doing a lot of manual legwork. Next, let's talk about AliExpress. AliExpress is the giant of the dropshipping world, and for good reason. It's a massive marketplace with millions of products, making it a great place for product research if you're starting out. One of AliExpress's strengths is its large user base. You can look at ratings, reviews, and feedback, which give you a solid indication of how well a product is performing. They also have a feature called AliExpress Dropshipping Center, which provides some valuable data, including product order volume and trends. However, the downside is the overwhelming amount of products, making it harder to sift through what's truly worth your time. Plus, the quality control can be hit or miss. While some suppliers are top tier, others are questionable. The third thing to consider is pricing structure. Modalyst offers both free and paid plans, with the paid plans unlocking more features like premium suppliers and faster shipping times. However, unless you're on the higher tier plans, product research features are somewhat limited. AliExpress, on the other hand, is completely free to use. You don't pay a monthly fee to access its product research tools, but that free access comes with the cost of navigating a marketplace flooded with low-quality products. Now, the fourth thing is the product trend insights. Modalyst has a dedicated trend section where you can see what's selling well, but it's not very detailed. You get a general idea of popular categories, but there's not much deeper market intelligence like you might find in some other platforms. AliExpress, though, has a vast amount of customer data, which could potentially give you insights into which products are trending. The problem? You have to dig deep into reviews and ratings, and there's no real trending section, so it's a bit more manual. Another key factor is supplier reliability and fulfillment times. Modalyst takes the lead here as it focuses on vetted suppliers, which means more consistent quality and faster shipping options, especially for US-based suppliers. AliExpress can be a hit or miss in terms of supplier quality, and while some suppliers offer fast shipping, others can take weeks or even months to deliver. Finally, if you're looking for a better alternative to both Modalyst and AliExpress, there is one that I highly recommend trying. After testing both of these platforms myself, I can confidently say that if you're serious about product research and want to avoid the pitfalls of low-quality suppliers or limited product data, there's a platform that outshines them both. It's easier to use, offers better insights, and provides more reliable suppliers. To get access to a free trial of this better alternative, just click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while both Modalyst and AliExpress offer solid product research tools, they each have their limitations. Modalyst is great for curated, high-quality suppliers, but its product research features could use some improvement. AliExpress is massive and free to use, but the sheer volume of products makes it difficult to find quality. If you're ready to step up your game and find a truly efficient product research tool, check out the link in the description. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to level up your e-commerce business.